$2,000 just from selling t-shirt mockups. And guess what? I've never printed a single t-shirt. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I did it using Photoshop step by step so you can start selling mockups too. Step 1. Find the right mockup templates. Start with high quality mockups. You can find them on sites like Creative Market, Envato Elements or Freepik. Invest in good templates. They make your products look professional and help them sell faster. In this video, we'll use Freepik. That's a good one to start with. Here, type in t-shirt mockups. Make sure to filter the file type to PSD. Choose the file you like and download it. Step 2. Customize in Photoshop. Open your mockup in Photoshop. Use Smart Object to add your design. Keep the shadows and textures intact so it looks realistic. You can create multiple colors to give buyers variety. Save it in JPG and PNG file. Step 3. Sell where buyers search. Upload your mockups to platforms like Etsy, Creative Market or Gumroad, places where buyers are already searching for them. Use keyword-rich titles, detailed descriptions and high-quality preview images to stand out. I made $2,000 selling digital files. I created once and sold over and over. Start with quality, choose the right keywords and keep uploading new designs. You'll be surprised how fast it adds up. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.